signing to Luna, okay? AI learning platform. So you have to wait for a little bit more. Here. 姚敬峰，你喺度做乜嘢啊？你喺度做乜嘢啊？姚敬峰，發生咩事？你都入咗嚟，點解要靠佢拎嘅？哦，辛苦晒喎，真係。Okay, let's begin. All right, so today we are going to take the fourth lesson in AI. So fourth lesson in AI. Before we start, yes, some of you are signing in already. Please sign to Luna, okay, the AI learning platform. So right now I can already see some of you. We are now in lesson 4, chapter 4. Chapter 4 is about the emotion, okay, how we feel, whether can computer know how we feels like in the picture. So I'll wait for both of you to think before I start. Okay, many of you are not here yet, so don't hurry. Please sign quickly. I repeat, for those just coming, go to Google Classroom, and from there you sign to Luna, the AI learning platform. Okay, the AI learning platform. So for those who are already in, you can start task 1. Task 1 is like before, the basic test, okay, some pre-lesson test. Okay, do it first, and remember to submit it. Okay, so many of you are not there yet, so we're in a hurry, and I hope we use 5 minutes for this part. Okay, we use 5 minutes for this part. Okay, I repeat, for those who just came in, please do the warm-up question. The warm-up question. Answer the questions, okay? Answer the questions first. So we have about 3 minutes. So I repeat, please work on the introduction question. So some of you are not here yet. 呢度你做緊咩啊？點解我見唔到你入去做嘢嘅？依家同學我未見到你入去喎，你明知你要大樓老師做緊風，聽唔到？咁我俾第條 link 你啊，你睇一陣啊。你打 send 咗俾你啦，喺 chat room 嗰度睇睇咯。咁啊，頭先杜朗峰咧，杜朗峰喺度嘛，梁樂平、溫海橋、溫海平。溫海橋你做緊咩啊？溫海橋都好耐咯喎，用咗4分鐘咯喎。咁不如翻學校上啦，翻學校上啦。好簡單，我出句 send 咗佢啦。梁樂平咧，梁樂平人都唔見咗喎。OK。好啦，咁唔等啦，好多人都用咗啲時間，咁但係我哋繼續落啦。Okay, now please submit and go to task 2. In task 2, we are going to look at, we'll take a look at what we are going to learn today. So let's begin here. So last time when we tried AI, we learned how to use it to identify persons, okay? Whether that's a person, whether it's a she or it's a he, okay? Whether it's a boy or it's a girl, okay? But actually, AI can go further. Okay, AI can go further. One way to look at it is to look at the facial expression. So normally, this is we have different looks. Although it is just an emoji here, basically this is the basic emotion we have. We might be angry, happy, upset, annoyed, things like that. So our human expression we are changing. But what are we doing here is try to use AI to identify the look and the emotion behind that picture, that person. So this video, as you look at it, you will see some funny thing appear on the face of this girl here, and also some wordings, some numbers. So how we can take a close look at it. So just before I share to you, let me do a bit more setting so that you can see clearly. Okay, so I'll play a bit now. Okay, we're about 30 seconds this video. Take a look at what happened on her face and read the letters, the wordings. Okay, perhaps I'll stop here. So what you can see now is there's something drawn on her face. And whenever she's asked a question, you see the wording change. These wordings describe her emotion, whether it's neutral, surprised, anger, amazed, things like that. And what's here? You see the percentage as well. Neutral, for some percentage, happy, some percentage, surprised, some percentage. So it looks like that we can pick up the emotion here. So what happened on her face? Are we trying to draw on her face for fun? Well, actually it's not. Because when you see the lines that's connecting the different parts, it comes in a system. Okay? It's in a systematic way. For example, from the eyebrow, it tries to link up to the different parts on the eye, from pupil to nostril, tip of the mouth to ear, things like that. So what happens is, this is how AI works to detect facial expression. So first of all, for human body, we are very good at reading facial expression. Even now, with our mask on, we can still look at the eye and we know that whether that person is happy or not. Okay, because we were trained for that. But for computer, things got a bit different. Okay, say for example, you were given a face here. A computer will first break it up into different grids, different parts. Put a grid on top, and then for each part, we try to look at, okay, where's the eye, where's the mouth, where's the nose? And then, from there on, it will also locate the different facial features. Where's the eyebrow, where's the nostril, where does the mouth end, and so on. And then by connecting the lines, you form something like this. This is the basic of how we detect the motion in the computer. Okay? What happens is, once you draw the line, you do what we call the mapping, and then you see a map like this. These lines, we'll use it for comparison to deduce the emotion of the picture. So facial feature means things like that. For example, again, these are emoji pictures, but doesn't matter, it serves well as an illustration. Say, for example, for set A, we see happy faces here. Usually, for happy faces, we can see that the eyes go in a straight line. Okay, one eye here, the nose, the eye all seems to be in one straight line here. But for the mouth, one tip to the bottom to the tip. It looks like an upward curve here. Okay, downward curve. Okay, it tries to go upward. So computer can learn that, okay, when I got the eyes in one line and then the mouth, there's a curve like this, it should be a happy face. Okay, like this, a happy expression. But for unhappy expression, once again, the eyes and the nose, and eyes go in one line. This time, the mouth bends to the other side, goes downwards. Okay, goes downwards. So combining these information, we can tell that, okay, it has to be a happy face. What about angry? Oh, angry seems like your eyebrow will go up a little bit by the tip, okay, like this, no longer a straight line, goes to the tip, and then your mouth bends like the unhappy face. So we can deduce that, and if I see this pattern here, this is an angry expression, What about for sad face? Well, unlike the angry face, the eyebrow goes in this direction here, okay, like falling down, and then the mouth also in a curve that looks like unhappy. So these combinations tell us, okay, has to be sad expression. So what happens for the computer? We do some training, okay? Training like in humans, okay? We do some repetitive training to let computer work. So what happens is we try to give computer some picture, and computer will guess, okay, this is sad, but then you will tell it, no, this is actually a happy face. Then you train again another picture. Computer say, okay, this is happy, and you tell, oh no, this is a sad face. You keep doing it again until it has so many training, and eventually it can pick up the features, and then when you feed it a face, it can correctly tell you whether it's happy or sad. So this is what we call machine learning. Okay, just like showing a keyword card with children and tell him what it is. Okay, for so many times until he or she learns. So once that's complete, you can put any face into the computer. Okay, once finished, we have a model. Okay, model that means the way to describe what happened. And then the computer will compare your input to the model it has. Okay, so the input is we have a line of eyes in a straight line and the mouth goes upward, and do the matching one by one until it finds the correct match. Okay, it should be a happy face in this case. Okay, so then we have 20 minutes to do the second part here. So what are we trying to do? Let's try this. Again, you'll write some program, and this program, you're going to give it some pictures. Okay, some pictures. In this picture, we can tell the different emotions in this picture here. Okay. We'll send the image to the computer, and then we will do the tracking. Okay. There's 6 pictures you can use. Let's open it one by one. Okay. Like here, this one, the first one, and the second one. Okay. We'll put it into the computer, and let's build the program first. To build the program, I'll show you a bit more as well. Okay, let me switch to the screen. You know, it's in the screen, and this is the good task 2. In task 2, we'll do the coding here. Right? So what happened is you were given some sample code. This sample code, like before, you do an export and copy all of them, paste it to your coding task. Let's do that together. So first, remember, be careful the 4 blocks here. Okay. First block, set the picture. And then you have to detect the faces. And set the result and tell computer, get the emotion for me. Okay, get the emotion for me. And print out the result. Okay, let me try. Okay, this one I need to find. All right, good. Okay, so use the picture. For example, like the first picture, you can get the information by this cross here. So get the first picture here. Copy the link, put it there. Okay, and then you run it. Let's see what happens if I run it. Okay, you see that we have the different emotions detected. Okay, the number here means the likeliness whether this person is angry, content, disgust, or fear. Or it's expressed as a fraction. That means a percentage. Okay, of accuracy. So now it's your turn. Okay, please work on the program. Okay. I will share my screen to you so that you can take a look at the coding. Just one moment. Okay, please allow me some time. I need to check the computer for you. you should be able to work on the program now. Remember, write your code, run the program, and also fill in the result in your Google form. That means the exercise are posted on the Google Homework, Google Classroom.老天你做緊咩啊？老天點解仲有 task one 嘅？溫開條仲喺 task one 喎，溫開條恐怕你都要翻嚟講喎，點搞法？當我明啦。當我明你喺度嘛？喺邊度卡住咗啊？OK，鍾開成啦。鍾開成喺度嘛？你做成點？揾啲咩？邊條 link？相嘅 link 定係課堂嘅 link 定係咩 link？相嘅 link 其實你撳呢個位，你一睇翻我 share screen 上面呢個位有個放大嘅掣，一撳咧就彈翻晒出嚟。啱啱先咧試咗張咁嘅相，其實都做到嘅。OK，每張相咧就唔同小朋友嘅樣咧，你見咧真係咧可以出到咧究竟佢有幾開心。咁呢個數字咧係一個小數嚟嘅，就轉翻嚟百分之嘅。OK，應該有啲錯啊嘛，原來唔係咁啊，嗰啲應該唔好開心，好多原來開心。羅樂峰你喺度做乜嘢啊？羅樂峰，咁就翻嚟。 冇問題㗎，我哋。Remember, there's a Google Classroom, Google Form exercise for you. It's posted up on Google Classroom, chapter 4 exercise. Just fill in the information as well. Remember, once you finish checking, you need to submit your work as well. Okay? 方開橋你去咗邊啊？我睇唔到你個 progress 喎，同埋走咗出去，我又唔介意俾你睇下唔睇呢啲。你睇下我嘅版面。你就試咗一個咋？咁你個 Google 方面變咗呢個條條咯噃。鍾海成咧，鍾海成係做緊咩？iPad 卡咗？你係咪用 Safari 喺 iPad 嗰度？照佢呢個 Safari OK 嘅噃，我見過。你喺邊個卡住咗？你唱片喺度嘛？你唱片，你做緊啲咩？但係好似葉唱片啊，你睇一睇你而家應該做唔到嘅喎，你 program 有事喎。你望一望我版面。唔係啊，你睇下我版面先。你睇下你貼咗啲咩上去嗰個 link 嗰度。你冇 run 過嘅喎，因為你有10個 code 都未用過喎你。而家搞掂佢。你明傑啦，你明傑喺度做咩啊？你做緊乜嘢？run 緊，但係又係喎，10個 quota 冇一個喎。我又俾你睇下啦。10個 quota 未開頭，你真係 run 過？你應該要逐個試喎。你點解用 Apple 嘅相咧？而家係試人面啊嘛。同埋你張 Google Form 入邊要求你做嘅唔係淨係一次啊，係好多張相要試㗎。盧浩天，你又做緊乜嘢？都好耐時間咯喎。佢哋啲曲咧冇嘅，點解？你用電話上嚟㗎。你有冇其他 iPad 啊？之前佢試過啲電腦嗰啲有冇？你以前咧？之前咧？嗱，我願意俾多幾個 quota 俾你。我見你用晒咯喎，唔緊要啦，我而家每人加多5個咯，要試可以繼續試嘅。 中開層你做緊乜嘢啊？點解啲曲爛晒嘅？中開層，你啲曲冇砌啱嘅喎，你行唔到嘅喎。OK， 學翻氣，你又做緊乜嘢咧？你淨係試一幅相啫喎，咁你個 Google Form 填唔到嘅咯喎。嗱，未搞掂嘅同學咧，麻煩你而家按小息咧盡快處理。我哋係會睇埋 Google Form 入邊你交咗啲咩俾我哋評分嘅。如果你冇嘢交俾我哋咧，我交唔到咧，咁好抱歉一定係零分嘅。嗱，啱啱交 quota 俾大家嘅，如果要再試嘢咧，其實你有足夠嘅 quota 時，咁而家我會係小息，我會繼續上傳啲機，所以你係可以繼續用嘅。OK， 係可以用嘅。Okay, so that marks the end of the lesson for today. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye bye. See you.